Hello everyone. Yeah, today is a special day. Uh, Live from Nyabohanze Village, is Africa, Kenya. Today is Mashujaa Day. This is just to tell my Kenyan fans from Kenya, my brothers, my cousins, happy Mashujaa Day. Yeah, today is a holiday, so just relaxing, a bit of work here and there. Yeah, but as usual, when I'm at home, I usually do some gardening, farming a bit. Yeah, I'm just from the shamba right now, the garden right now. I decided to do a short video here, so that you can see the progress. I will show you the progress of the shamba I did last time with my brother Gichoro. Today I'm solo, I'm doing it solo. Yeah, today we were just weeding. Yeah, we were just weeding. This place was very, 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 very dirty. You can see right now. It's very nice. It's nice. You can see the whole shamba. The other part is not yet weeded. We're planning to weed it tomorrow, God willing. Yeah, it's not very dirty. It's not really does not have a lot of weeds as such, but tomorrow, God willing, we shall weed this area. Yeah, it's not very dirty. Then we'll have to do gapping because there's some maize that did not germinate, germinate properly, but a big number of it germinated, so still okay, still good. Thank God for everything. Yeah, so this is our area. This is our home. This is our garden. This is our shamba. You can see up there we have some other maize. We have cassavas there. Let me show you the cassavas. This is mixed farming. I don't know if it's mixed cropping or mixed farming. Mixed cropping, I think, because farming entails also rearing of animals. This is just cassavas. Sometimes we mix it with the maize so that it can sustain the family. Oh, almost breaking one of them. Yeah, to there. Look at the find. The other cassavas. Yeah, we have some challenges here and there. We have a lot of monkeys. Uh, the monkeys really have really troubling us. They are very clever. Monkeys in this place, some of them behave like human beings. They are not afraid of us anymore. If you try to chase it, especially if your voice is very, I don't know how to say it, your voice is thin, like for a woman, the monkeys will not run away. They will just look at you and time you. The moment you go out of the place, they come back and feast on your crops thoroughly. Yeah, so that's the biggest challenge we have here. The monkeys are many and they're giving birth every day. If you look at the farthest end there, you can see, I think I can zoom in. There we have a lot of trees there. So that is where the monkeys play. That is the playground of monkeys. Yeah, very dangerous. So I tell you, it's not a walk in the park. The monkeys are a big problem. They are waiting. They are just somewhere seated, having a meeting, seriously waiting for us to plant the maize and for them to come back and feast on the maize. So we are we have to deal with them. We chase them using stones. I think we shall have a long-term solution very soon. Otherwise, we may shy away from planting maize and other things. But again, that's it. That's how life is. We struggle with everything that is there. Yeah. So monkeys, these monkeys, some of them when they are hungry, they even eat chicken. I wonder. At one moment, there is one of our neighbors that her food was eaten by the monkeys. I think she was cooking maize and beans in our place. Most it's normally known as githeri. Some in the Dulu they call it nyoyo. Maize combination, maize and beans. In fact, the monkeys went there and ate. You see, so they can be really a problem. Yeah, you can tell me in the comment section how we can deal with them. Yeah, every opinion matters. You can help us in that manner because hey, those things are a problem. Yeah, yeah, they are very clever. They time you when you go away, they come and feast. When they see you, they also run away. They jump from tree to tree. You can't catch it, even if you are very fast, unless you have a gun, and it's prohibited to use a gun here. And of course, we shall have to look for a long-term solution. Nowadays, surprisingly enough, monkeys don't fear scarecrows. You put a scarecrow, a monkey will try and play with the scarecrow like this, like that. When the monkey sees that the scarecrow is not moving, it will know this is not a real human and will come and feast on the food seriously without without caring. So that's it. Monkeys, 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 monkeys. I don't know what we do. We shall do. Yeah. So that's it. Otherwise, we keep on moving, however much difficult it is. That's it. That's it. Hey, I wonder, monkeys. Anyway, a bit of progress of what planted the other day in a short while, and then I call it a day. You can see the maize has not yet sprouted as anticipated, but there is a bit of beans. Beans have really sprouted well. You can see there around the shamba. Very clean shamba, very clear. Beans have at least sprouted. So the shamba is good. Everything is good. Yeah, 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 man. Yeah, man. So that's it. That is the progress. Just little progress. Little progress. Little by little fills the jar. Yeah, just like that. Just a little progress. Call it little progress. Mangoes are trying to come up. Yeah, the monkeys are very happy now. They have a lot of mangoes. Mm. very dangerous animals. They don't care whether you are. Yeah, otherwise, this is the end of my video today. I just updated you that our crops are sprouting. Thank you very much, subscribers, returning subscribers, new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I am Nyabohanze Teacher. Thank you for more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting my channel by subscribing, watching up to the end to increase my watch hours, giving positive comments and feedback. Rectify me where necessary so that we can grow our channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Keep watching.